Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn another quiz which is related to arithmetic operations. It is very simple quiz, but sometimes people solve this quiz very wrong way and find out the wrong answer. So we will solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. So here we have four answers. A is 1, B is 0, C is 4 and D is infinity. So we will see like which answer is correct to solve this expression. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's move towards what are the rules which we will follow to solve this expression. So as you know, like arithmetic expression, we will solve using we can solve using the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. What are these rules? Basically, the BODMAS in the B for bracket in PAMDAS, P is the parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. So, if your expression contains a number which contains a power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. One more thing, here division and multiplication has similar precedence. So if you have if you are going left to right and see the multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve that part first. Either you are using BODMAS or PAMDAS, it is not necessary. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So addition, if addition is coming first and you go left to right in your expression and you see the addition is coming first, so you have to solve addition first. And if subtraction is coming first in the expression, so you have to solve subtract first. So here we have our expression. We will solve this expression using two methods. We will see which method is correct. So first we will solve using the method one where we will do not follow any BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. So what we will do first is solve this part first. In our fractions, we will solve this part first. So how we can write like 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power bracket 2 raised to power 2, 4 minus 4. So here we will give the reference. So here we solve this power first. So 2 raised to power 2 equals to is equals to 4. Now move forward to solve other terms. So now we will solve this part and write these terms as it is. So we will write this part as it is. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now, we will give the reference here. Four minus 4 equals to 0. And now, we will solve. That is the trick like which you will solve to you get the wrong answer. And if you will solve using other methods, so you will get the correct answer. So sometimes people say like we will solve this one using PAMDAS rule, which means that you have to solve the multiplication first. So first, sometimes some people solve like this way. 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. And in the end, if you solve this expression, so you will get the answer is 16 divided by 0, which is equal to infinity. And here we write infinity, this one. So sometimes people say like the answer is the infinity, but this answer is not correct. What we will do here, we will apply here method 2. Here we will solve using as per BODMAS and let's PAMDAS rule. So what we will here, this is method 2. So here we will solve first the bracket according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. First you have to solve the bracket first. So here we will solve like 16. We will write this part as it is. And here we will solve 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4 minus 4. And again, we will give the reference here. 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now, again, we have here the bracket. So first we will solve this part. Write this part as it is. And 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Right? Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, so now you do not have any bracket or power. So you have to go left to right in your expression. We will go here left to right and see which operation is coming first. So here we have the division first. So we will have 16 divided by 4, which is equals to 4, and multiply by 0. So here we will give the reference. Here we solve the 16 divided by 4. Now, 4 multiplied by 0, we will go again left to right and see like which is coming. So now we have only 2 terms, 4 multiplied by 0, which is equal to 0. So the answer of this expression is 0, not infinity. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression using correct method and get the correct result. So if you will go wrong method, so you will get the answer is infinity, which is wrong. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. One more thing, we have added another playlist which is related to English quizzes. So you can follow that playlist as well to solve different English grammar quizzes and preposition tests and solve it and get the result and give the results in the comment box. Please stay tuned with us and we will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.